push it to the side. I have these hands again. I love these hands. My favourite hands to use in the water. Pushing forward, pulling in. Pushing out, pulling in. So it's not this. Okay, so you'll see the land demonstration, I don't show that either. It's out and pull in, out and pull in. So the wrists do move, but I'm keeping my fingers flat. So it's front, side. Now have a look at how much turbulence I'm creating, and that's what we want to see with your participants. Then I change it and I go one to the front, one to the side. I go straight into the double action. Out, in, so still pushing away and pulling in all the time. That's where the workout is. You're always thinking that in the pool we get to work triceps more. Oh my goodness. You're missing out the bicep action, which is this part of the movement pattern. So it's always extension, right? So it's out, in, push, push, out, in. One arm front, one arm to the side. And then I add the kicking action. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me show you side on. You can see that I'm hopping on the opposite leg, the one I'm standing on, and I've kept this side up to do the double kick. Really important because when you demonstrate this on land, you can't be bringing that foot down to the bottom twice for the double kick. Sorry, my heart rate's on. And you want to be bouncing your toes, your heels are not coming down to the bottom of the pool, and your body's going vertical. I really like how this feels. So if you've got a song where you've got an introduction that feels, this is a great way to use that music well. So front and side, doubles one way, doubles the other way, add the kicking action, and that's this week's active. Demonstrating the arm action with the feet stationary is going to be pretty easy for you as an instructor on land. So just remember not to go and spread your legs wide, because whenever the client's got their legs out wide, they're actually a little bit less stable, right? It's a little bit different from being on land. Well, we always know that. Water's different from land. So you just want the feet so it's outside, I suppose shoulder width or a little bit outside hip width, and that they're standing in water that they can stay stable in. So out, in. Remember, fingers open when you're demonstrating this on land, and you are turning those wrists around, so you're pushing and pulling the water. Watch how I do the flicking action with my torso to demonstrate effort. So it's push, pull, as if I'm moving water. Then we go into the alternating, I call these policeman arms. So you've got one arm going forward, one arm going out to the side, keeping the elbows relatively still when you're extending that elbow and getting the forearm moving. Fingers again, open. Indicate to your class you want to push the water and pull the water in, and focus on the cueing around the white water. Because it's the white water that you want to see. It's the white water that you want them to try to achieve to demonstrate intensity in the water. So then once we've got that going, we added the double kick. Now this is where it gets interesting. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So you demonstrate the kick, but you won't be able to demonstrate the popping action unless you have something like an aqua frame. So with the aqua frame, you've got the 1, 2, and that's where you can demonstrate that knee hop. I don't know if anyone's athletic enough or could be bothered to actually demonstrate that hop without doing it. It's just too hard. You could do it on a chair. It's a possibility. So that you go 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And of course, if you've got nothing else, then you're going to do that. But you then need to stand up and indicate that you want them to go vertical, that they should be bouncing off their toes, not landing flat with their heels down, and certainly not sitting in the water and doing it, because that would decrease the intensity considerably. So, not too difficult to demonstrate, just make sure that you get that hopping action with the opposite knee to make sure that they get the intensity out of the workout, and that's this week's active.